Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing an essay on Kashmir Day. Kashmir Day is observed on February 5th every year.
Kashmir is a beautiful place located in the northern part of India.
The people of Kashmir have been facing many problems for a long time. On Kashmir Day, we remember and pray for people of Kashmir. We raise our voice against the injustice and violence happening in Kashmir. We also show our support for the people of Kashmir. Kashmir Day is observed by people all over the world, not just in India. We can observe Kashmir Day by hosting Flag of Kashmir. We hope that one day peace and justice will prevail in Kashmir.